Welcome to Ashot Ashkelon, a global center of excellence for more than 5 decades, specializing in technologically advanced systems and components for the international aerospace and defense markets. A leading supplier of high-performance, built-to-print, built-to-specification, and concurrent engineering, Ashot Ashkelon is an established source for high-quality production, on-time delivery, and fast response to our customers' needs. With comprehensive in-house production and design capabilities, vertical integration, and a U.S. manufacturing arm, we are committed to deliver significant value for our customers and meet their highest expectations. Ashot Ashkelon provides a complete one-stop shop solution from raw material to final product. We deliver a wide range of components and subsystems to major aerospace and defense programs, as well as OEMs. Among our products are Electromechanical Assemblies, high-lift system components, Tungsten Weights, and jet engine shafts. Our highly skilled engineers, technical experts, and employees are dedicated to meeting the highest standards of quality, productivity, and reliability. Ashot products and processes are fully compliant with industry and customer-specific certifications and standards, such as NADCAP and ISO. This uncompromising commitment to quality, efficiency, and support, together with our attention to customers' needs, is the reason Ashot products are trusted by leading aerospace and defense companies worldwide. We continue to supply highly reliable components and subsystems to a wide range of aircraft and land platforms, leveraging our expertise and innovation to add value to our customers across the globe. Ashot, partners in your vision.